Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I haven't done any videos for a while, but I'm back now. So, so today I'm going to be doing basically it's like similar to like a tray sort of thing. You can put like your ornaments and stuff like that on them, or what have you. So I'm gonna get straight to it. So what I'm gonna do is I've got one of these. You can get them from Poundland, for £1. You get a packet of 3 wooden snowflakes for £1 as well. These are pretty good. I've made where you put the string on and you hang them on your tree. I've decorated them. I've even used 2 of them and made a coaster, which I've got here, as you can see. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to be painting the middle bit in black. Then I'm gonna be spray painting or painting gold around the sides. Then I'm going to be painting all 3 snowflakes in gold and placing them either side of each other in the middle. And then so I'm gonna get cracking on with the spray painting, and I shall show you what that bit looks like in a minute. Hey guys, so I've spray painted this. The paint that I've got is actual craft spray paint, so it hasn't taken as good as I thought it would, but it'll have to do for now. So yeah, that's that bit done. I've already started painting this bit, so I'm gonna carry on painting this, and then I'm gonna show you. Then I'm gonna spray paint the snowflakes. So I'll show you when I start showing the snowflakes, spraying the snowflakes. Right, so I'm on to spray painting the snowflakes. I've already done one here. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you me spray painting one of them. So make sure you get all the way around the edges. I wouldn't recommend you using it on the floor if you're gonna be using like any of the proper spray paints, but this is more like a crafty type of spray paint, so it doesn't really stain the floor or anything because it just wipes off. Right, so it's number 2. What I've been using the hairdryer to dry it quicker. You can do this if you want to, or you could just let it dry naturally, but I'd rather use a hairdryer to get it done quickly rather than waiting around. off there. So that one's dry. I'll get back onto this one. So I'm going to show you me gluing them on next, and then I shall be done. Right, so I've lined them up. I'm going to be using some super glue to glue them down. So yeah, so I'm gonna get cracking on with gluing it, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like at the end. Sorry, I can't show you me doing it because I haven't got my tripod with me at the minute. So I shall see you at the end, and you will see the last result. Right, so I finished it. I've put two candle holders at the side as well with it, so it's looking pretty alright. Yeah, so if you like what you see, then give me a thumbs up. Turn on notifications if you would like to see any more videos like this, and share, make sure the video goes viral, and I shall see you all next time. So bye for now, and I hope the rest of you enjoy the rest of your evening.